Today, let's go over some tips and tricks for working with denim material. Welcome, I do sewing and DIY related content, and today's video is going to be a nice short and sweet video about working with denim. Now, denim comes in a lot of different colors, a lot of different washes, a lot of different thicknesses. You can even have stretch to it, so there's a lot of different types of denim you can work with. I'm just going to be focusing mostly on like non-stretch denim, so not really doing anything that has too much stretch, but more along the lines of how you work with it. So the first step whenever working with denim is be sure you wash it. So because of that wash that it has that unique coloring, you really want to make sure you wash this so that the dye does not come out after you've already made your piece. Next, denim does have the ability to fray, as you can see here. Even if you go to the store and find jeans that have like that frayed look to them, when you are working with denim, you are going to want to make sure you have some sort of way to finish off those edges if you do not want them to look distressed, so using an overlocker or using an overcast stitch. Now, due to the colors that denim can come in, when you are trying to mark your denim, especially for a pattern piece, you may want to go with something like a chalk pencil, just so that it will be able to more easily show up on the denim color that you pick. Then when you are actually cutting out your denim, you could definitely use anything like fabric shears or a rotary cutter to get nice and smooth edges. Now when it comes to pressing, denim does pretty well, but I would highly recommend to always do a test swatch. I was able to use high heat as well as some steam on this. You can see you are able to get out a lot of those initial wrinkles that may appear in your fabric, and then when you are folding it over, you are able to get some nice pressing to occur that you will be able to see a crease. But be sure that you always test this with the denim that you are actually going to be using, so that you get the best results and you do not ruin your fabric. So as you can see here, I folded over my denim. You can see there is that little crease in the fabric, so it does show up, but definitely test this out on the denim that you are using before you sew with it. Now earlier I talked about being sure to finish off your edges. Denim is able to be worked with on a serger to clean it up. Highly recommend using a 4-thread overlocker stitch for this though, because of the thickness of that material. The 4-thread stitch is going to hold it all in much nicer. You can even get different colors of thread that you would like to help cover up that edge and give you a nice clean and smooth finish. Now when it comes time to working with your sewing machine, be sure to go with a thicker needle. Can get actual denim, as you can see, needles here. With the bigger the number, the more thicker denim that you would be using. Now on your sewing machine itself, you may want to up your stitch length to about a 3.5 just to help with any skip stitches since denim is thicker. In addition, you can sometimes get little bumpers to put at the back of your sewing machine just to help the presser foot get over any of those thick edges, and I can include some links if you want more information about that. As far as thread goes, you can really use any type of thread you have. There are specific denim threads though that have that very similar dyed effect as your regular denim would have. Since denim has more of this different shades of blue, you can get shades of blue thread as you can see here, and then you can get specific top stitching thread if you really want to give it that color that stands out, how you may be more used to seeing it on jeans at the store. So there's lots of different ways that you can work with denim. There's a lot of different things available for it. I will include a link to my Amazon storefront that'll have everything I used in this video. Let me know your tips and tricks for working with denim. And if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.